Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a super handy topic, how to find your RBC routing number. Whether you are setting up direct deposits or online payments, knowing your routing number is essential. So, let's get started. First off, the easiest way to find your RBC routing number is through online banking. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, log into your RBC online banking. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the RBC website. Enter your client card or username and password to log in. Next, navigate to your accounts. Once you are in, go to the accounts section. You will see a list of all your accounts here. Then select the desired account. Click on the account for which you need to routing number. Typically, this would be your checking amount. Then locate the routing number. RBC usually lists the institution and transit numbers here. The routing number is a combination of those two numbers. It is typically a 9-digit number made up of the 5-digit branch or transit number following by the 3-digit institution number, which is 003 for RBC. There you have it. That's your RBC routing number right at your fingertips. As you can see, I have put a list of RBC branches and their own routing numbers. You can pause the video and point those numbers if you need. Now head to the optional methods. If you are not able to access online banking, don't worry. Here are a couple more ways you can find your routing number. Check your checkbook. If you have a RBC checkbook, the routing number is printed at the bottom of each check. It's the first set of number on the left, following by your account number. As the screenshot shows that you can navigate the routing number at this point. Now visit an RBC branch or call customer service. You can always visit your local RBC branch or call their customer service for assistance. They're more than happy to help you out with any queries. So there you have it. Simple and straightforward ways to find your RBC routing number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.